Light frequent sand top dressing can have one of the greatest cultural benefits for turf growth, but also for putting conditions for the golfer. With more than 60,000 rounds, we can have lots of imperfections on the putting surface. My name's Brian Youell, and I'm the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. This week, we're going to talk about the benefits of sand top dressing.
Ball roll can be dramatically affected by imperfections on the putting surface, such as ball marks that aren't repaired properly. They leave a little depression. If you watch a golf ball roll along the putting surface, if you pay close attention, you can actually see the ball bouncing as it rolls over an imperfection on the putting surface. These imperfections can be smoothed off with a light frequent sand top dressing that will help smooth out the putting surface and provide better playing conditions. Sand will also create physical pore space in the turf canopy, which will improve air and water movement through the putting surface. This will also improve the firmness of the green. We use a USGA specified sand that is wash and free of any contamination. This will help water move through the profile. We apply approximately 1/3 of a cubic yard on an average size green. We then use a drag brush and we drag the sand in two different directions to get the sand below the leaf blade and down into the turf canopy. The final step is rolling the green to smooth out the surface. After sand top dressing, brushing the sand in, we can increase our green speed by more than 1 foot. Sand top dressing can provide many agronomic benefits, but most importantly, it can create some smooth putting surfaces for you to enjoy.
Light frequent top dressing can improve our putting surfaces. We can gain almost 1 foot on green speed with these applications. Not only do they provide better putting surfaces for you, they provide firmer conditions and lots of great agronomic benefits for our turf. Happy golfing, everyone.